Are you ready to ditch the dehydration drama? Here are a few very simple hydration hacks for busy work-at-home mamas. Hey mamas, do water woes have you down? Are you feeling like a dried up raisin between toddler meltdowns and deadlines? I completely understand, but fear not. Today we are spilling the tea on how to make water your new BFF and stay hydrated all day long. Because a hydrated mama is a happy mama, and a happy mama is a productive mama. So let's do this. Why water matters. Water is like a magic potion for our bodies. It keeps our brains sharp, our energy levels up, and it even helps us avoid those afternoon headaches. Plus, for mamas who are nursing or pregnant, staying hydrated is extra important for both you and your little one. One of the things you can do is flavor up your fun. So water can be a little boring, so we can jazz it up with a few simple ways that make it really exciting. One of the things is electrolyte drinks. You can get little packets like LMNT, or you can get Liquid IV. These are at Costco, or you can get them on Amazon. It's a really easy way to get a quart of water in first thing in the day. Other things you can do are sweet tea sweetened with stevia, or some water infusions with different herbs and some really fun flavors and fruits. If you're looking for something beyond the bottle, we do get it, because a water bottle just doesn't always cut it. There are a few sneaky ways that you can get some hydration in. Fruity snacks like watermelon and strawberries and oranges are nature's water bombs. You can also include a lot of soup in your diet, and you could even include some herbal teas like chamomile. And if you're looking for a bonus tip, you can download a hydration app to set reminders on your phone, track your intake, and even make some games out of it. This is a note for pregnant mamas. Water is vital for your baby's development, so you can carry around a reusable water bottle everywhere you go and sip often, or at least keep one within arm's reach all the time. Like this one. For nursing mamas, you lose fluids through breastfeeding, so stay extra hydrated. Keep a water bottle by hand, whether you're keeping it at your nursing station or at your desk, and you can make sure and sip frequently throughout the day. You got this, mama. With these tips, you will be a hydration rock star in no time. So remember that a little planning goes a long way. When you keep water at the top of your brain, it makes it a lot more simple to include it throughout your day. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite ways are to stay hydrated. What are your go-to flavor combinations? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more work at home mom hacks. Until next time, stay hydrated.